Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. To you all my lovely subscribers, I say a big thank you. Keep supporting me, keep doing the good work. I appreciate and love you all. Today we're gonna be doing barbecue. Just watch out and see how to mix and roast the barbecue meat. Happy viewing. This is the blender. Inside the blender, I've got 2 bell peppers, 1 yellow pepper, and spring onions. I will be blending this together to make a marinade for the steaks, for the barbecue we are going to do now. After blending it, I will add some spices to spice it up. I'll be adding a little water to this blender to blend this stuff right now. I'll be turning this into a bowl where I'll add some ingredients to it, ready for marinating the meat. Inside this bowl, I will be adding my thyme, 2 spoons, 1 spoon of oregano, 2 spoons of salt, 1 spoon of black pepper, teaspoons in all, 1 teaspoon of curcuma, that's turmeric, powdered turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of powdered onions. I poured all the garlic. Now I freely add my meat spices for roasting chicken, because I'm gonna roast steaks, so this one goes well with it too. And I mix well. I'm not forgetting my stock cubes. I'm gonna put 2 stock cubes. This is chicken flavor stock cubes. This is my mixture for the barbecue. I'll be pouring the mixture. I already washed my hands, then I will be using hand to mix all very well. Guys, I dropped some oil to make it greasy and avoid burning and sticking. They are alright now, ready for the barbecue. They are on the fire right now, roasting. We are just testing. Anywhere you see any flame, you use a spray of water to put it out. If not, it will burn the meat. That's how it goes. You have to have your eyes on the fire. If not, if the flames come, they will burn up the steaks immediately. Meats are cooking, guys, and we are combating the flame with the water spray.
because we are eating it.
Aussie girl, you are eating meat?
Yes.
Okay, do you like it?
Yes.
What would you tell Daddy for roasting the meat?
Thank you.
Thank you. Actually, it's happy that it's here roasting the meat.
I'm here looking at
Awesome is
Daddy.
happy with him, saying thank you.
Just cook it. It's excellent. You don't know. Hey guys, awesome. And Charlie's excellent. Guys,
Go follow my channel.
go follow my channel.
Subscribe to it. Please.
Subscribe to me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna play there, guys. Okay.
Excellence meat has fallen. You guys should get another one. No, leave that one. Go get another one. Almost finishing.
Yes, girl.
Hey guys, me is awesome. Guys,
And
don't forget together
subscribe to the channel.
we are roasting meat. And
Andrew
we
has
are
also
roasting meat.
challenge.
Daddy is roasting meat. You see it here? You just subscribe to my channel.
Awesome is putting her shoes left and right.
I like left.
You like left and right?
Yes.
Don't worry, one day you will see this video and you will laugh and show your children.
and if you just and used to do like this, excellent, come and do me like
We are
this.
about to do spring cleaning in our garden since the long winter. So we've not started the work
No,
yet.
like this.
So we are gonna do that soon
We're
so
gonna
that they
do-
can play freely here in the
And we
backyard.
are playing here. That is
Guys, so we're gonna actually do
exercise.
version of Mama.
Yeah.
And we put all the balls. You buy the balls and we put the balls and even the slime.
Yes, the balls and the slime.
This pot is full. I'm gonna get an extra pot to contain the rest. Here is the last batch. Guys, we are at the finishing point. Taking the very last ones. Abby said I shouldn't bother getting an extra plate, that the pot will contain all. So it remains a few minutes and we will round up. And they have been eating from the done ones, making more chance to come out from the pot.
I don't want to eat more.
Yeah. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Hope you like this barbecue video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. See you next time, guys. Bye. Love you.